Jack, imagine this. You wake up, look outside, and decide, today I'm going on a trip.
Oh, wow. That sounds amazing. But the question is, where do we go? What do we pack? What do we eat?
Exactly. Today we talk about everything, our travel dreams and our real travel plans.
So get comfortable, because this conversation is a long one, and easy, and fun.
Hi, everyone. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack. Welcome back to Easy Talks English, where you learn English with slow, simple, real conversations.
Today's topic is travel plans, and we're going to talk for a long, long time.
Perfect for A2 learners. Emma, let's start with the big question. If you could fly anywhere tomorrow morning, anywhere, no limits, where would you go?
Hmm. Okay, let me imagine it. I think I would go to Italy. Maybe Rome, or Venice, or Florence. I can't choose. They are all beautiful.
Italy is a great choice. But why Italy? What is the reason?
Because I love the streets, the old buildings, the small cafes, the food, the warm weather, everything. Italy feels romantic.
Okay. You really love Italy.
Yes, I do. What about you, Jack? Your turn.
Easy. I want to go to Japan
Japan. That's so far. Why Japan?
because I want to see Tokyo at night. The lights, the people, the trains, the food. It feels like another world.
It really does. Would you go alone or with someone?
Alone or with a friend, but not with someone slow.
Are you saying I'm slow?
Um, I didn't say that, but you do walk slowly sometimes.
Jack?
Okay, sorry.
Jack, what season do you like for traveling? I think this is important because weather can change everything.
Yes, weather is everything. For me, the best season is spring. Not hot, not cold, just perfect.
Same. I love spring trips. The parks are green, the flowers are everywhere, the air is soft. I feel happy when I travel in spring.
Do you like traveling in summer?
Yes and no. Summer is beautiful, but too hot, especially if you walk a lot.
Exactly, and crowded too.
What about winter trips?
Oh, I love winter trips if the city is snowy, but I don't like cold wind.
Me too. Cold wind is my enemy.
Emma, let's be real. Sometimes we don't have money for a big trip.
True.
So, what small weekend trips do you like?
I love going to a lake, a quiet place, just nature and fresh air.
That sounds relaxing. I like small towns, any old streets, small bakeries, nice people.
Do you like mountains?
Yes, mountains make me feel peaceful.
Maybe we can plan a weekend trip one day.
Yes, but you will plan and I will follow.
As always.
Let me ask you something. If we travel together, who makes the plan?
Me, obviously.
Why so confident?
Because you forget things, Jack. Important things like chargers or tickets or clothes.
I forgot clothes one time.
Jack, you forgot half your suitcase.
Okay. Maybe I forgot. So, yes, you plan. I follow.
Good. Are you a light packer or a heavy packer?
Heavy. Very heavy. I pack for a 1 week trip like I'm going for 3 months.
Jack, that's too much.
I know, but I always think, what if I need this shirt? What if it's cold? What if it's too hot? What if I want this sweater?
So you pack everything.
Yes,
I understand you. I also pack too many things, especially extra shirts and snacks.
snacks are important.
Exactly.
Emma, do you get stressed before traveling?
Yes, always. I always think I will forget something.
Same. I check my passport 10 times.
I check the tickets 5 times.
Do you get nervous at the airport?
Yes, but I also feel excited.
I get nervous with security checks.
Me too, even when I have nothing to hide.
Exactly, same feeling.
Jack, do you prefer traveling by plane or train?
Train. It's calm, no security checks, no turbulence. More legroom, more peaceful.
I prefer planes because they are fast. 1 hour and you are in a new world.
That's true. But airports make me stressed.
I love airports. I like watching people with bags, the cafes, the big screens with flight times.
You're strange.
Thank you.
Do you plan a budget before a trip?
Yes, I write everything: hotel, food, transport, museums, shopping, even coffee.
You plan coffee money?
Of course, coffee is life.
I only plan money for food.
I knew it. Do you prefer hotels or Airbnb?
Hotels, because I feel they are cleaner.
Depends on the hotel.
True.
I prefer Airbnb because it feels like home.
And you can cook.
Yes, cooking saves money too.
Food is my favorite part of traveling.
Same. Trying new food is exciting.
In Japan, I want ramen, sushi, and matcha desserts.
In Italy, I want pizza, pasta, gelato, tiramisu, everything.
We are definitely hungry.
Yes,
What activities do you like when traveling?
walking a lot, seeing museums, visiting small cafes, trying local desserts.
I like exploring streets, taking photos, talking to people.
You take really good photos, Jack.
Thank you.
I try. Have you ever had a travel problem?
Yes, a big one. One time I lost my luggage.
No way! What did you do?
I cried inside. Outside, I was calm.
Did they find it?
After 3 days,
3 days with no clothes?
yes, I had one t shirt.
Poor you. My travel problem was I missed a train because I was buying coffee.
Emma,
Listen, it was a very good coffee.
do you get nervous speaking English in other countries?
Sometimes, but I try because people are usually nice.
Same. Travelers understand travelers.
If you could travel the world for 1 year, what is your route?
Japan, South Korea, Thailand, Australia, New Zealand.
Wow, mine is Italy, Spain, France, Greece, Portugal.
Your route is very romantic.
Thank you.
What is your best travel memory?
A sunset near the sea. The sky was pink. The air was warm. I felt so peaceful.
That sounds beautiful. My best memory is eating street food at night in another country.
Food again.
Always food.
Do you have travel goals?
Yes, visit 10 countries before I turn 35.
Nice! My goal is to visit 5 new places every year. Travel makes life bigger,
More colorful,
more exciting.
more delicious.
Jack,
What? It's true.
thank you for listening to episode 3 of Easy Talks English.
Write in the comments, where do you want to travel?
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
See you in episode 4.
Bye!